Hi everyone, welcome to Ede Yoruba TV.
260 will be 200 plus 60. 200 plus 60, which is ọ̀tàlélúgba. ọ̀tàlélúgba. 270. What is 70? You have to know it. 250 is 50 is àádọ́ta. 70 is àádọ́rin. àádọ́rin. So now we now say ọ̀rìnlélúgba. You know I told you that ọ̀tà ọ̀rìn. So that is where we are going to get it now. It will now be 200 plus 80 minus 10. That's where we get it. So this one now will be ọ̀rìnlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. ọ̀rìnlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. ọ̀rìnlélúgba ó dín mẹ́wàá. Now 280 will now be 200 plus 80. That is ọ̀rìnlélúgba. 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 290 will be, what is 90? 70 is, we said that 50 is àádọ́ta, 70 is àádọ́rin. So but we are not going to use that one like that. So this one now is you now say 200. We are going to the whole number 300. What is 300? Ọdún. We said ọdún. What is ọdún? 300. So ọdún will now be ẹ̀wádínlọ́ọ̀ọ́dún. ẹ̀wádínlọ́ọ̀ọ́dún, which is 300 minus 100. Minus 10, rather, sorry. Minus 10. ọ̀ọ́dún dín mẹ́wàá. Or you say mẹ́wàádínlọ́ọ̀ọ́dún. 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 lọ́ọ̀ọ́dún, which is 300 is ọ̀ọ́dún. ọ̀ọ́dún in Yoruba, ọ̀ọ́dún. So likewise now, when we are now getting to 310, it will now be ẹ̀wálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dún. You know this one is dín, because this is 10. dín, mẹ́wàádín. mẹ́wàádín. So when it's now 310, it will now be mẹ́wàálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dún. mẹ́wàálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dún. So we see goes for the whole number So this is how we are going to write it. We now say 300 plus 20 minus 10. Okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé mẹ́wàá. Okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé mẹ́wàá. Ó dín mẹ́wàá. Okòó. What is okòó? The 20. Okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé mẹ́wàá. Ó dín mẹ́wàá. Ó dín mẹ́wàá. Okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé mẹ́wàá. And but when you are talking, you can say mẹ́wàálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Maybe you are talking, so you can say mẹ́wàálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. So it's either of the two. Okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá, or you say mẹ́wàálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. And this one is 320, which is okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. 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 Now 330. How do we write this? So we still go for the whole number, which is 300 plus 40 minus 10. What did I call this one the other time? OG. That is Ogoji. OG. 40. Ogoji. OG. This is when we want to use OG too. So it will now be òjìléníọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. Òjìlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. Can you see that it's different from the one we have been teaching from 1 to 100? From the one that you have been teaching from 100. So òjìlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. So 340 is òjìlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. That is 3 plus 40. 300 plus 40, which is òjìlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Òjìlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Then we have 360 and 50 rather. If you know that this one is àádọ́ta, our grannies here also they will say àádọ́talé. You can say àádọ́talé-ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Like this one, okòólélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. So you can say, some will say ọgbọ̀nlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Òjìlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Àádọ́talé, that is a simple form. Àádọ́talé-ọ̀ọ́dúnrún, but they will now say ọ̀tàlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. Ọ̀tàlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. That's how they will write it. That is 300 plus 60 minus 10. So you can say ọ̀tàlélọ́gọ́ta. Ọ̀tàlélọ́gọ́ta. Sorry. Ọ̀tàlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ọ̀tàlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. In a simple form, you just say àádọ́talélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún àádọ́talélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. That is the simple form. àádọ́talélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. So I want to clean it and more.